Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear kids and parents. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So now we will read page number 20 from Maths workbook. Let's see what we have to do on this page. First of all, we will revise our previous lecture. As you know, on page number 20, we practiced at how to write 4. Okay? So now you can see that there are some clouds and some numbers are written in these clouds. You have to find number 4 and then you have to color that cloud in which number 4 is written. Let's see where is number 4 and we will color that cloud. Okay, so this is number 4. You will color this neatly, not with your pencil but with your color. Let's find another 4. This is 4. You will color this cloud. Is this 4? No. Which number is this? This is 2. We have to color only those clouds in which number 4 is written. So this is not 4. We are not going to color this one. Which number is this? This is 3. We will not color this. Which number is this? This is 2. So we will not color this one too. Which number is this? This is 4. So we are not going to color one. Which number is this? This is 4. We have to color all the 4s from these clouds. So we will color this one. And which number is this? This is 3. So we will not color this one because there is no 4 after coloring these clouds. Let's see what you have to do below. You have to join all the dots with one another just like you did on page number 20. Okay, so let's join. Let's join. This is 4. This is 4. This is 4. ऐसे ही आपने ये भी ज्वाइन करना है और ये भी ज्वाइन करना है और साथ साथ आपने लोड वाइज में रिवाइज भी करना है. दिस इज़ 4. दिस इज़ 4. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ ग्रेट डे.